Hello, my name is Trinetta Helman, and today I'll be working with Justin Lim on presenting our research study on the effect of the color of media logos on the consumer perception of content. So our hypothesis is that articles with logos that contain red logos that are perceived as more strict or aggressive will in turn receive more aggressive responses relative to articles that have blue or more neutral colors.
Our first step of our procedure was to find a news article that was not immediately controversial or likely to raise subjects' emotions, because if the article was more controversial to one group of people than the other, then it may skew the results. The second step, we put the article text in 3 identical documents with different color and logos,
As shown here.
Step 3, we give each subject a different colored article and directions on how to complete the survey. The directions given to each subject is the same to avoid confounding variables. Collected the following data.
As you can see, the articles performed fairly equally in most categories. Nevertheless, there are still some important takeaways we have. Our results indicate that colored articles cause a more negative disposition towards the news content than neutral colors do. We were not expecting that neutral colored articles would elicit the most positive responses out of the different colors we tested. Instead, we believe that respondents would give more of a neutral response to these neutral colors. In addition, contrary to our hypothesis, red actually did not elicit the most aggressive responses, which we were not expecting. Furthermore, blue actually elicited the least positive responses out of all the colors we tested, which was not expected as blue is more of a calming tone. Finally, black elicited the most positive responses, which again was not expected as it's more of a neutral tone. These unexpected results could be explained by our low sample size of 30 people. This may not have been able to grasp the full picture of which article responses truly elicit which response. Thank you for listening to our presentation today. We hope that it is helpful for you all to learn about how what we read and how we read it influences our views. Thank you.
Thank you.